Hey everyone, Steve here with Dave and Matt Vans, and today we're going to be doing a full winterization of your van's water system. Let's go inside and take a look. So winterization is important to prevent the internal components of your water system from freezing and causing damage, and possibly even blowing out your pump. Winterization is mandatory anytime that you expect the interior portion of this vehicle to drop below freezing temperatures, especially when you return your van from a rental trip or if you plan on storing it long term. So the first step in our process is removing and emptying the water jugs. We're going to start here on the right hand side with your gray water jug. All you have to do is unscrew this cap on top, which will stay attached to the drain hose. Set that aside, pull this jug out, and empty it in an appropriate place. Next step in the process is going to be removing your freshwater jug. In order to do that, we'll gain access to this quick release mechanism built into the top, lift up this section here, and pull the clear intake hose away. Going to be a good idea throughout this entire process to have some kind of a towel handy to sop up any moisture that may pour out of the system as you winterize. The next step in our process is disconnecting 3 hoses in 3 distinct places underneath your kitchenette. The first will be the faucet hose that you can see here. There's a connection point with a small button on the side that you press in to release this hose. We'll allow that to drain down into our towel and let that rest for the duration of the time that you store the van. The next connection point that we're going to address is the front of the water pump. This is where the pump sends water out and up into the faucet. Release this blue locking mechanism straight down, pull this hose out from the front of the pump, allow it to dangle down and drain into your towel. The last point we're going to disconnect is the connection of the freshwater line to the back side of the water pump. You'll see an identical locking mechanism right here on the back. Pull it straight down, push the hose out towards the back of the kitchenette to remove, and set it up in your sink to dry out. And now on to the last and most important part of the process, which is purging the water pump of all the water that's still inside of it. Grab a towel or paper towel, anything that will sop up water, hold it to the front of the pump where that output hose was, and turn the pump on for approximately 5 seconds to allow all of the water inside to rush out into this towel. And you're done. So that's it. Thank you all for watching. You should now be well versed on how to winterize the water system of your Dave and Matt van. If you have any question, leave them in the comments below or contact us via our website at dmvans.com. Thanks again.